Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Are you guys wondering what are we going to make out of this beautiful purple yam powder? Right, it's purple souffle! This fancy, light and tasty dessert is a great treat to serve from a special occasion to an everyday meal. Plus, with the purple yam powder, it's going to create the stunning color in our dessert for today's video. Because it's surprisingly easy to make, so let's make our own souffle! Because the souffle rises up, brush each ramekin using upward strokes, then sprinkle with some sugar. Now let's separate the egg whites and egg yolks into two separate bowls. Adding the milk into a saucepan. Place over medium heat and bring to a simmer. Beat the egg yolks and sugar in the bowl. Then add in the flour and mix well. Add a splash of hot milk into the egg mixture and whisk well, and make sure to combine the ingredients until they are completely smooth. Then gradually whisk in the rest of the milk into the egg mixture. This is normally called tempering. Now add a tempered mixture back into the saucepan. Stir and cook the mixture over a medium-low heat for 3 to 4 minutes until thickened and smooth. Keep whisking during this process, otherwise the custard will be overcooked. Once the custard has thickened, immediately transfer to the prepared bowl before the remaining heat from the saucepan continues to cook the custard. Cover with a plastic wrap and allow to cool to room temperature. It's time to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the meringue. Add some drops of lemon juice. Whisk the egg whites in a clean bowl until foamy. Then, gradually start adding in the sugar. Once all the sugar is added, increase the speed and continue beating the egg whites until they hold stiff and glossy peaks. Once the custard has cooled down, add in the purple yam powder into the custard. And then stir the first 1/3 of the meringue into the purple yam mixture. Then carefully fold in the remaining meringue. The purple yam mixture should be evenly colored. Place the ramekins on a baking tray and divide the batter evenly into each ramekin. Tap to level the batter and run your thumb around the rim. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until well risen and slightly golden on the top. The souffle should wobble gently in the middle when it's ready. Dust with the confectioner sugar and serve immediately out of the oven. Soufflés need to be served immediately because they rise so much in the oven, and when a hot souffle hits the cooler air, it deflates. And ta-da! Finally, our fancy, tasty, and beautiful purple soufflés dessert are ready! This is a great treat to have all the time at home. And now you know this easy purple souffle recipe, why don't you give it a try at home? And see you next time. Bye!